Sarap kumain ng McDo sa bahay. Masasabi mo, di ba? Comfort na comfort ka. Kasi ito ay comfort food.
Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog.
Yeah, bye pizza pie. Cheerio, cheerio, yo. We're going up now, guys. And I have my cell phone stand here. It's foldable and it's ready for rainy days, like outside right now. Yeah, there's our yellow car there. It's raining and we're ready for our cell phone stand.
Good evening, guys. It's your understandable YouTube channel, Solid. We are running or driving through a little bit of a rain today, and it's very dark in our subdivision. Yellow 5 Beach Pie is our night drive again, and everything seems normal in the light of my freaking eyes. On my eyes. Too much eyes. Okay. Yeah. Whoa, that's a hard rain today. Hard rain. It's nice, everybody. And I can't see so much. What's the connection of opening the exhaust? Okay. Yeah, baby Japai. Here we go again. Okay, taking off on a rainy Solid. How are you, internet? Yeah, raining hard today, and I barely cannot see the road. But well, that's a good thing here in our city. The roads are well lit, not unlike other places. No, it's hard to see road conditions like this one. Very hard, especially when you're not in the place. You're not around here, and can't memorize all the corners, all the conditions of the road. If it is has potholes, has intersections, it's very dark. I appreciate city government for trying hard to make this happen. Just like this. Just like this one is already well lit. Before it was really dark. It was really not a joke to ride on here. Many riders and even other vehicles went out of this road. They overshoot. they were in the rice fields before, and their vehicles was in the mud. They have to call a crane operator to take off their cars or motorcycles out of the mud. Very hard. That's why it is really important that the city government or in your place is very well lit kind of roads. Actually, LEDs are very helpful these days. It's a good technology. It's a good technology that they're waterproof, they're cost saving. Yep, dual screen, boys and girls. We saw it. We're driving through the rain. Good that the rain is not hard anymore. Last night, kind of easy today. Important, yeah. What I'm talking about is really important. A well-lit roads are very important. It keeps you, safe. It also, builds confidence when driving. It also makes you, comfortable when driving at night, especially when your screen is fogging up. These roads very well lit. Okay, one thing riding in the rain is if you're one thing riding in the rain or driving in the rain, you accumulate fog, because the temperature varies from the outside and the inside. Yeah, so you build up those fog. Just like in the helmet, it builds up fog. And, it builds fog, and then there's zero visibility later on. One good thing when you're in a car, you can turn on the AC and this temperature change, and it turns off those fog. it equalizes everything. Yeah, it's very odd that I'm talking a different accent today. It's not me. It's not my accent, actually, natural accent. And really trying hard on my own speaking. Especially no topic or prepared topic for vlog or night. Oh, come on. How can you overtake on a slippery road, Very wrong. I never overtake unless the one in front of me has stopped, especially on a rainy day. If it is moving in front of me, I will not overtake. So as a motorcycle, it's very dangerous. What if you slip? Slippery road is still a slippery road. Nobody praises it. Nobody, nobody survives it. Even four-wheel cars is not that good. It will slip you away. Even you have new tires, it's still slippery when wet. It's fixing. Come on, guys, do your homework. It's not that good. It is very unsafe. And they are signaling, but they're not turning. How you will, separate educated people to non-educated people. I'm sorry to tell this, but the way it is, educated people makes our lives safer, more civilized, comfortable. Yes. Because their thinking is always, on an organized manner, because they were taught in an organized manner. There's no chaos. They try to avoid chaos on it. They try to avoid unsafe things. They try to get the systematic procedures on a level that this is number one, it is number one. If there's no number one, it will be the number one before going to number two. That's it. And they know how to read and follow rules. Yeah, that's a very great thing. It's a very, even especially on driving. You must be educated in driving lessons. Our laws. Those laws keeps you safe. Come on, overtake more. Don't wear helmet. That's a good advice. Kill yourself. And the bad thing is, they want to kill you also. They will be killed, but you will be responsible of it. Come on, don't include us in your dreadful dreams of going to hell or what? That's not good. Overtaking on the wet without a helmet? Come on, guys. Come on. You're so brave, but your brave is not for your country. It's for your, for your not so good intentions. And include us in your unsafe and unworthy roadiness. What are you going to do now? Because you're so impatient. You gotta stay there, you don't have any helmet on it, and it's raining, right? And everybody's facing, this is a two-way road only. Have a road courtesy, have a great respect, and not a good maybe we can change a little bit more. And we have a slow tricycle in front of us. Yeah. That's the reason why they're overtaking. That's the slowness. It's okay. As long as it's safe, they manage to do it, but they must try to avoid it. Yeah. So this is our, night drive for this night. hope you enjoy, and don't forget if you're new to our YouTube channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to our, understandable but a little bit boring day, boring nighttime, ride time. Yeah. We're not anymore getting wet because we're not in a motorcycle anymore, or a tricycle. If you're on a tricycle, you also get wet. Half that you get getting wet. Because when you're driving, you all have this, underneath all wet. Because the tricycle is really halfway open. Not like on even a small car. You're really on a cocoon type thing. You're safe. Wetness. Unless you go up. Yes? Okay. Good night. Okay, I guess, I don't know. I maybe have a very unnatural accent, but this is the natural way I have. I don't have the American accent or, some British guy or Englishman. I have an unusual accent in speaking English. Maybe they call it like the Eastern, Asian, European, Middle Eastern accent. Now the rain is pouring down. Good. Now, yeah, we're still driving on night time and we're enjoying it. But it's very dangerous. Very dangerous because there's no visibility of the light. And if the road is wet, everyone is really not having a good sensory eyes and ears while driving like me. They're all guessing which direction they are. So be safe, everybody, for driving on conditions like this. You can see on our split screen. And you have a picture flight, it's on it, and bye. We're picking up our imaginary friend, and good. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Sana na siomay eh.
What is siomay?
Yun na lang.
Where?
No.
McDonald's, you want to drive through? The McDonald's.
Tuloy ako doon, mahal ng sutas, 2.7.
Oh, good.
Mag-ano tayo, mag-blend ako bukas.
Blender of what? The overripe vegetables or overripe things. Always getting rotten in our fruit basket.
No, wala rin rotten.
There's no rotten fruit basket? Okay, that's good.
Hindi na ba dyan sa, Hi guys!
No.
On our way to Pilar.
No. We keep staying there and a hair layer. We have a baby fry. I think we get
Ano na din eh.
overtaking. Did you experience that? Overtaking the rain? No, right? We only overspeed, but we don't overtake.
So I think it's the technology. I thought it's leaving.
It will leave later with very early of Friday. But there is a chance that still give us the tail of monsoon rain.
Until Saturday.
Until Saturday, unfortunately.
So no classes pa rin.
No classes anymore for the kids.
Nasabi na?
Yes. But of course, the little one, no.
Oh wait, ikaw alam mo, di kita nakikita sa
Okay, see you guys. Family matter.
Huwag ka didikit kasi baka
Makakakanan ba siya? SUV.
Bakit sabi ko sa'yo eh.
First time.
Hindi,
First time. Dio Marco. Altras. What's the plan? Yun. Ang ating drive-thru. That's our drive-thru. Okay. Take a look. Tama?
Okay mo na lang. Recorded sir.
Okay. Lang din. Let's go. Complete.
Thank you. Uy na kayo, bago?
Ako kasi dapat. Biglang kapit na ganyan. O, diba? O, diba? Yan na, yan na. Abangan natin yung TikTok truck kung magaling siyang mag... Ayan na. Oh.
Huwag ka lalapit.
Uy! Ang galing! Yan ang mga driver. Nakakapasok ng ano. Walang kaabot.
Hi sir, ganito po. Wala. Ito 10 pesos to.
10 pesos.
410. Wait lang ha. Wait lang sir. Wala po. Ito 10. Wait lang ha. Sa 10. Ito. Para ano. Hindi ko alam kung nagpapalaglag sa akin yung braso eh.
Ay. Kung okay. Kalaban. Kuha pa natin ang dito. Ating main court. Ay, lang yan.
Ano mo yun?
Ha? Saan?
Ano na?
Oo, ako.
Ano ito lang?
Ay, okay.
Lapit na?
Tapos din. Ano yun? Patingin na mo to sa loob? Ng mall? Our turn to turn. Our to turn. Siyempre dapat easy-peasy to. Kasi maliit lang tayo talaga. Wala tayong puwet. Pag hindi, nakakahiyak ko. Tayo na pagbigyan. Tayo na siya. Yo, nakalusot din tayo. Yababay.
Fish Islands! Yay!